The 2012 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 50th Anniversary Edition. Back in 1962, Carroll Shelby built his first updated Mustang, and now, as a celebration of their 50th anniversary, Shelby is offering a special edition Mustang in 3 different variants: the GTS, GT350, and Super Snake. Each model will be built in a limited run of 100 units, 50 white and 50 black, and will all be combined with gold racing stripes. The most powerful version, the Super Snake, delivers a total of 750 HP and comes with a unique body kit, an upgraded interior, and a new set of wheels painted in matte black. Prices for the new models are as follows: the Shelby GTS is priced at $19,995 for the V6 and $24,995 for the V8. The GT350 is priced at $59,995, and the Super Snake is priced at $59,995. All prices do not include the price for the standard 2012 Mustang GT or the Shelby GT500 for the Super Snake version. Hit the jump to read more about the 2012 Shelby GT350 50th Anniversary Edition. Exterior and interior. The base Shelby GTS and GT350 feature matte black 19 inches wheels for black vehicles, or chrome wheels for white vehicles, combined with a deep draw hood, unique front and rear fascia, and Shelby badging. For the interior, the company has added black leather, gold contrast stitching, and an embroidered 50th anniversary logo on the seat back. The Super Snake version, however, will get custom matte black finished Shelby Alcoa Super Snake wheels, black vehicles, or durable finish wheels, performance white vehicles, painted body color rear quarter window block-off plates, and fully painted Shelby Super Snake exterior striping. For the interior, the Super Snake version gets black leather with gold contrasting stitching, 50th anniversary logo on seat backs, a leather shifter, and perforated seat inserts. Engine. Some would expect the 50th anniversary Mustang to carry some extensive power upgrades, but Shelby has decided that if it ain't broke then don't fix it. The standard GT350 already pushes out 430 HP, 525 HP, or 624 HP, depending on the version chosen, from its 5.0L V8 engine, and Shelby has opted to use the supercharged 525 HP version for the anniversary edition. The Super Snake is also a killer in standard form, delivering a whopping 750 HP from its 5.4-liter supercharged V8 engine. Both models get a Borla-Cat back exhaust system, a Shelby hood with pins, and a Shelby caster camber adjustment kit to seal the deal. Next to these changes, Shelby is also offering a Shelby Ford racing suspension with adjustable dampers, an improved brake system, and a new sport suspension. Prices. Prices for the new models are as follows: the Shelby GTS is priced at $19,995 for the V6 and $24,995 for the V8. The GT350 is priced at $59,995, and the Super Snake is priced at $59,995. All prices do not include the price for the standard 2012 Mustang GT or the Shelby GT500 for the Super Snake version. Competition. This isn't the first or last time we'll see an upgrade package for the Ford Mustang, but it is the anniversary edition, so that makes it a bit more special. Still, there are tons of options out there. For example, Roush recently announced the Mustang Stage 3 Premier Edition, an upgrade version that is powered by a 5.0 L4-valve DOHC-TIVCT engine equipped with a R2300 Roush supercharger to increase the total output to an impressive 540 HP. Not as impressive as the 750 HP Super Snake, but still very good. Love it. Great look comes in 3 packages. Impressive output. Leave it will be offered in limited edition. Top version can get expensive.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.